Hi guys, yeah, so this is a video I didn't particularly want to do. You can get the drift up there. Do not buy from banggood.com or any other banggood.co.uk, .eu, whatever they have. So what is this all about? Well, this is a mini drone. This is the E520S. Mini drone, excuse the noise, that's the postman. So this is the little folding GPS drone, sold for around 90 quid. I think I paid about £88, something like that for this. And yeah, so had it, went out for a quick fly, no problems at all. So all good as far as I was concerned. It did go a little bit haywire at one point. Didn't want to land at all, just wanted to just stay in the air, which is a bit concerning when the battery got low. But this is not a review. This was going to be a review, but it's not anymore. So second flight, I literally just took it outside the flat. I got it up in the air and it was hovering there for about a minute, and then it just literally spiraled like this straight down, landed on the neighbour's roof. I then had to get somebody to come out of a ladder so I could fetch it off the roof, although I kind of wish I didn't bother now, and you'll see why. So why did it drop out the sky? Well, let's take a look at this arm here, and if I bring that in, hopefully you can see how badly burnt that is. That whole plastic area there is completely melted. On the top as well, completely melted. It stinks of burnt electronics and it's dead. So not only is this rotor dead, but the whole drone's dead. Sometimes if you're lucky, you can get it to turn on and you can fire it up. It will spin one of the rotors, but it won't increase speed or do anything. Most of the time, put a battery in, it does absolutely nothing. So as far as I'm concerned, this is faulty. Having only had it for a few days and only on its second flight, did it drop out the sky. So I contacted Banggood, hoping that of course they would be willing to work with me and sort me out with a refund. I didn't want to get a replacement for this drone. I have got a replacement drone and we will get into that on a different video, but I didn't want to get a replacement straight for this one. I wanted to try and just get my money back. So we started the communication. So you have to go on their website, and then of course you have to fill in the little thing to say email us. And so I emailed them, explained the thing. You get the usual generic email back. We apologize for the, the inconvenience caused, etc. You can get a refund within X amount of days. Please send us pictures of the problem. So I sent them pictures of the problem. You can't reply to the email because the email comes back as Android sort of reply response, because they're obviously using some kind of Android system to manage the emails. So you can't just reply back to the email. You have to go back onto the website and explain everything again. And then you get back the same generic email, just telling you exactly the same thing. Please send photos. I've sent you the photos. What more do you want? So you send the photos, explaining again and again and again. Then they wanted a video. Okay, fair enough. So I did a video, uploaded it to YouTube, set it as unlisted, gave them the link. Here's a video of the thing, dead, not working, close details of what's wrong with it. They reply back, please send us a video again. It's like, I've just sent you a video. So we're going round and around in circles. And this has been going on now for nearly a month of just going round and round in circles. Then you get to the point where they're going to escalate it to their internal department, whatever that is. Yeah. So it goes to their internal department. Expect an email back within 8 hours. Do you get an email? No, you don't. So you message them and you send them a copy of what they sent you in that email about internal department from 8 hours. And you get back a same generic response message. So yeah. I've got some of these messages on the phone, so I will just go through. So let's have a look at the last few I've got. So what did I send them? So I said, regarding your below message, I have not received any emails from the other department. Also check spam and nothing. So please send me what they said. Thank you for contact. So this is what they said. Thank you for contact regarding your concern. We have already received a mail from your department, so please kindly check your inbox. So I did that. So they reply back. Thank you for contacting us regarding your concern. I understand this might cause you inconvenienced. You don't say. Let me escalate this to the internal department to see if any other solutions for you. What have they just said? They've escalated the internal department and now they're telling me they're going to escalate it again. What else have we got? So we've got this one. Oh yes, so we apologise for the inconvenience caused by this issue. This is after I've contacted again saying I've not had anything back from the internal department. With regard to the item issue of your order, we will contact the relative colleague to check it. They will contact you as soon as possible. We will do our best to assist you on this matter. No, they weren't. What else did they want? Yes, so thank you for your email regarding order. Can you buy parts to fix it? We hope you understand on this matter and look forward to receiving your reply. And this was from somebody supposedly called Phoenix. I probably could buy parts. So what do we need? We need a new arm, most likely a new motor because that's probably dead. We need a whole new control ball because we know that's completely dead. And what else? The list is endless. I don't want to have to get parts to replace it. I just simply want a refund, you know. And you say, no, it can't be repaired. What do you get back? Thank you for contacting us regarding your concern. I understand this might cause you inconvenience. Let me escalate it to the internal department to see if any other solutions for you after they check relevant information. Please expect contact via email in 24 to 48 hours. And that was from Arnold. And that was over 3 days ago. And yep, haven't heard anything back. And I don't think I will. So yeah, if anybody's been following Unexpected Maker's channel, you know that he's had a lot of issues with Chinese vendor and maker Shanghai for his pick and place machine. Now, this is not a 17 grand drone, fair enough, but it's still a 90 quid drone. And it does seem like he said that Naomi Wu was saying that Chinese companies will just pretty much just tend to just try and ignore you. They're not interested in trying to deal with the issue. They just hope that they can just brush it under the carpet and it will go away, you know. But it's this communication that's been going on with Banggood now, and I've threatened them that I'm going to do a video, and no, they just don't care. There's not one single, if I could even just reply to the emails and speak to the same person, that would be a start. But no, you can't. You have to keep going on to the app and then messaging them back through the app again. And it's just gone on round and round in circles. They will not accept responsibility, even though all I had today to do is say, send us pictures, send us a video, send that. Okay, yes, we can see the drone's broken. We will give you a refund. I see lots of people have this drone, lots of reviews on it, and I haven't seen anybody have it drop out the sky. So they're probably okay. As a brand, these Eachine drones, they're probably okay. But I've got a dodgy one here, and I just simply want a refund. But no, they can't even entertain the idea of giving you a refund. You just go round and around and around in circles. So yeah, I'm getting nowhere, guys. So that's why I'm doing this video. Do not buy from Banggood. It's clear as day, you know. If you've got a faulty item and you think you're entitled to a refund, good luck, because you won't get it. You just go round and round in circles. So as far as I'm concerned now, I'm boycotting Banggood completely. I didn't want to have to do this, but they left me no choice. So I'm not going to buy from Banggood. I'm going to take all my business over to AliExpress now. And yeah, I encourage you guys, like, share and subscribe. Please guys, share this video wide. Let your friends know. I want Banggood to get a taste of their own medicine and realise that you can't just fob people off. You know, you need to have customer service. All they seem to care about is taking your money, sending you the product, and then you're on your own after that. Just no customer service skills at all. No ability to put their hand up and say, yes, you've got a faulty product, we apologise, let us refund you. No, they just don't want to do it. So guys, don't buy from Banggood, share the video, and yep, there will be a future video where we will tear this down and see quite how much damage has been done inside, but I just wanted to get this one done quickly so we can get it up there and get it spread wide as far as possible and let people know, do not buy from Banggood. So thanks guys, sorry that was a bit of a random video and a bit of a rant, but they left me with no choice. I can't get anywhere with trying to communicate with them, so this is the only option. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if anybody has had trouble with getting a refund from Banggood, let me know, drop it in the comments below. I'd be interested to see if anybody successfully got a refund from Banggood for anything. Maybe small items that cost a few quid, maybe they just refund those, but if it's 80, 90 quid, maybe they're like, nah, we don't want to lose that money, you know. So yeah, drop it in the comments guys if you've had any experience with Banggood and refunds. Let me know below, and if anybody has any way of contacting them other than this stupid system and actually speak to somebody that's the same person all the time about this, then let me know. And yeah, I'd probably share this to Naomi Wu. I don't expect her to be able to do anything about it, but just to get it out there to her as well about the trouble I'm having with Banggood. So thanks again guys, and I will see you in the next video.